Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Enum Conversions. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the various Enum conversion nodes and discussing their functionality. Enum, which is short for enumerated, is a predefined array of variable elements. Within MetaSounds, these are drop-down menus found on different nodes such as the biquad filter, scale to note array, and several others. Because they are predefined arrays, the elements contained in the drop-down are indexed in the same manner, with the first item being index 0, and so on. Therefore, our enum to integer conversions allow us to select a specific drop-down menu and then output the index value as an integer. On the inverse side, we also have the ability to use an integer value to pick from the drop-down list. This can come in handy when creating custom inputs for MetaSounds to be used inside another MetaSound graph if we wish to expose that input. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.